Hi guys, welcome to the Baby Cubby. Today we're going to be unboxing the new UPPAbaby MESA V2. We are so excited for this. We love the original MESA and this is just the upgraded version and we're excited to see what's in store. Let's get started. Okay, I am so excited to see this color. It is the new Stella color, which is pretty new as far as their strollers have gone. The Stella came out this year and it's like a heathered gray color that we have in the Vista. And this is their Stella MESA. Always keep your fancy paper manual. Oh my goodness, this color is stunning. I am so excited to look this out. Oh my gosh. It is beautiful. Look at this color. It is this super pretty light gray color. And I absolutely love the color of the frame too. Like you can see, it's dark, it's pretty. It's gonna go in your stroller so nicely. Again, I just love this color. It's so beautiful. Look at this canopy. The best part about the MESA canopies is that they just like stay upright really well, and then when you're done with it, it just goes back and it does not get in the way of like your baby, which is awesome. Oh, look at that handlebar. I know they made it taller and that's an awesome feature. Like it's taller than the last one so that it's easy to put your arm like right in there. It is so pretty. I am just dying over the new features of it. There is a new belt route on the side. Like, look at this. It is so sleek. I like the dark color. I like that they still indicate it in blue. Their base is awesome too. It looks similar to the last base. And it's just easy to use, which is awesome. Another new feature that I noticed that I'm so excited about is European belt route. Look at this baby. You have the two pieces on the side, but you also have this piece on the back. And this is awesome. It makes it super easy to travel with in the car. If you switch cars a lot, this is an awesome option. Just if you don't have an extra base, you can use the European belt route. And that's so cool. That's a new upgrade from the last MESA to the MESA V2, which is awesome. I also noticed their new like padding for their infant insert. I'm loving how like thick it is. It feels thicker than the last one, like the insert inside of this headpiece, and like so cushy and padded, which will be super comfy, especially for like preemie and newborn babies. And then this piece is awesome. It's super easy to remove. And it's the same, just like more padding and more squishy, just giving your newborn baby like a little more to sit on, which is awesome. So you guys might be worried about getting a lighter color with these new colors that they come in. And again, this is the Stella, it's so pretty. And you can take off the fabric. It's pretty easy. If you just like flip it right here, you can feel like a little tab and they just kind of pop out so you can wash it. Normally you can't dry the fabric, but you can wash it and let it drip dry overnight, which makes it super easy to clean. All right, so this wraps up our unboxing video of the UPPAbaby MESA V2. It is a gorgeous car seat. I love all of the upgrades. It pairs so well with the Vista and the Cruise stroller. It just makes it super easy to travel, super easy to use, just a one and done for your family with UPPAbaby. So come check out this new car seat in store or online at babycubby.com. We'll see you next time.